Imagine a tablet that seamlessly blends creativity, productivity, and entertainment into one lightweight device. What if it could anticipate your needs and keep up with your busy day effortlessly? Hello, and welcome to Buy with Confidence, the channel where we carefully analyze products so you can make informed, confident decisions. Today, we're exploring the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, a 10.9-inch tablet designed to balance performance, portability, and intelligent features. The Galaxy Tab S10 Lite is powered by the Exynos 1380 processor, paired with 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage, expandable up to 2 terabytes via microSD. Its vibrant 10.9-inch LCD display with Vision Booster technology adapts brightness to your environment, making it easy to read, watch, or create content at any time. For students, professionals, or casual users, this tablet is highly relevant, offering a combination of productivity and entertainment in a single, lightweight form. The purchase link is in the description and pinned comment for your convenience. Let's walk through 7 reasons why the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite deserves your attention. Reason number 1. Immersive and adaptable display. The 10.9-inch LCD display with Vision Booster ensures content looks sharp and colors remain vibrant in any lighting condition. Whether you're streaming videos, reading articles, or scrolling social media, the display adapts seamlessly. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, users consistently note how easy it is on the eyes during extended viewing sessions. Reason number 2. Long-lasting battery life. With up to 16 hours of usage, the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite supports extended work, study, or entertainment sessions. If you're short on time, super fast charging delivers a full charge in approximately 2 hours, ensuring minimal downtime. For students or professionals on the go, this translates into uninterrupted productivity. Reason number 3. S Pen for creativity and productivity. The included S Pen is more than a stylus. It's an intuitive tool for note-taking, sketching, solving equations, and annotating documents. Its responsive design and software integration make writing feel natural, whether for creative projects or daily tasks. This feature elevates the tablet from a consumption device to a versatile productivity tool. Reason number 4. Expandable and versatile storage. Starting with 128 gigabytes of onboard storage and expandable up to 2 terabytes via microSD, the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite offers ample space for apps, files, and media. You don't need to constantly manage storage or delete content, giving you freedom to focus on work, study, or entertainment. This flexibility makes it suitable for both casual and heavy users. Reason number 5. Intelligent AI tools. From Circle to Search to AI Hotkey, Samsung has integrated AI capabilities that simplify everyday tasks. Search any content on your screen instantly, schedule meetings, translate text, or even solve equations. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, these features enhance productivity without adding complexity, making the tablet feel intuitive and smart. Reason number 6. Seamless Galaxy ecosystem integration. If you own other Galaxy devices, the Tab S10 Lite integrates smoothly with your ecosystem. Answer calls, finish notes started on another device, or transfer files quickly. SmartThings Map View also allows you to control connected devices right from your tablet. This seamless experience elevates the device beyond a standalone tablet, making it a hub for your digital life. Reason number 7. Lightweight, portable, and premium build. Weighing under a pound, the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite is extremely portable, yet it feels solid and premium in hand. Its sleek design ensures comfort during extended use, whether you're holding it in one hand, propped on a stand, or using it alongside a keyboard for productivity. This balance of form and function makes it a practical companion for work, study, or leisure. Final verdict. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite excels as a versatile, intelligent, and portable tablet. Its vibrant display, long battery life, responsive S Pen, and AI features combine to deliver a premium user experience. Some users may note that its LCD display, while bright, is not AMOLED, and the Exynos processor, though capable, is not the fastest in the market. However, for students, professionals, creatives, and anyone who values a blend of performance, portability, and intelligent features, this tablet offers a thoughtful, reliable, and long-term solution. If you're looking for a device that can entertain, assist, and adapt to your workflow, the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite is a tablet that can confidently earn a place in your daily routine. Purchase links are available in the description and pinned comment.